Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have Apple Powerbeats Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily enable and set up personalized audio. At first open settings. Here go to your headphones over here and now scroll down to personalized spatial audio. We have to open it and personalized spatial audio. Here as you can see we have personalized spatial audio. You can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio for the shape of your ears. Now continue. Tutorial. Position your iPhone in front of you so that your face is in the camera frame. Move your head to the left and then to the right. And select Face ID. Now as you can see we have to capture our face, so wait a moment, I have to do it myself. Now I have my face centered in my cropping moment, and here we have to capture. Move your head to the right and left and then to the right. And personalized spatial audio. You have completed your personalized spatial audio setup. Now done. And if you want to disable your spatial audio, you have to tap stop using personalized spatial audio and this stop using personalized spatial audio. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.